Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is no 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. Brother, how's it?
Good sharp.
Sharp, thanks. What's your take on the game today?
Hey, it's disappointing results. I was expecting more from the boys, but it was nil. It's wrong. Like I expected
especially at
more.
home, yeah.
Yeah, at home. It's
Yeah.
Because next week we are playing away. At least if we score one goal away, it was going to be at home. Yeah, it was going to be. We were going to play. We're going to be advantage.
At least, yeah. 1 foot ahead,
Yeah.
And what do you think went wrong today?
Hey, I don't know, but the boys they did everything they could. They did their best when we are speaking in terms of the game. Yeah, but yeah.
No, and then what's the plan that you want your coach to use when he goes to Egypt?
I don't want to lie. Our coach, from my perspective of view, our coach is failing us because of we didn't score any goal, and we were playing at home, but we didn't score any goal. But I believe that our players will do better when they play away in Egypt.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you so much.